So finally we have a little package from at least 2 or 3 months of saving and not going on a vacation, not using my vacation money, saving everything up till the last penny for this package right here. As you can see, it's the Valve Index. There we go. Pretty cool. So we got some books over here. Guide set up. Everything in different languages, different colors, pretty cool. And the cloth. This is actually the cloth that we can use to clean everything. So that's really dope. And then of course we have the whole spindle of cable. And here is the headset itself. So that's really cool. Really nice box, really nice packaging. I will keep this safe. I've never checked it out before and it looks really amazing. So there's some nice Velcro around it. I'm gonna move the box aside here real quick. I'm gonna put it down on the soft floor. There's some Velcro around it. That is also very nice. You can probably use that again for something else. There we go. I actually wanted to make it loose. I just did that with the big cable here. Gotta keep following till we're there. Because I don't know how long the cable is till that breaker box point. Really getting everything loose. So the headset has the longest cable, and here is actually I think it's a mini display port. I don't know if you guys can see that really well. There you go. I think it's a mini display port. And so these are the last connectors, and this is just your display port and your USB 3. And all we have here is a very long cable. And that's the mini display. I'll have to check if you guys can see that again. Yep, mini display. So that's actually that. There's not much to see here. I still have the base stations 1.0 set up in my room, and the knuckles I already had. So we're ready to rock and roll. We might upgrade in future to the base stations 2.0, but yeah, I'll have to see right now how it fits. So the gasket actually comes off really quick, as you can see right here. Yeah, it goes back on just like that. You just have to lay it in there, and it actually goes in really quick. And all you have to do is just turn this knob, and you're actually ready to go. That's it. I still have a lot of, how do you say that, light coming through around my nostrils, but I actually hope that's going to be fixed eventually. I think I just have to make sure that the whole unit is snug on my fat face. And when you're done with that, you can just adjust these side panels, because I can clearly feel the lens is touching my face right now. So it really depends on what you want to do regarding space. yeah, so that's actually it. Works really well. It's a really nice premium headset, so we're gonna see how everything is gonna work in the video games that we're gonna play, and then we'll see how it goes. See you guys in the next one.